Good afternoon everyone, thank you very much for tuning into this short video which is about our single cough screen. Our single cough screen is designed to work with 6mm toughened glass or perspex. It has a 125mm gap between the work surface and the bottom of the channel. The system will arrive as kit parts which require 8 bolts tightening, a gasket pushing in, then mechanically fixing to the work surface. We've designed this system to stand the test of time. Thank you very much for watching, and more information can be found at coughscreen.co.uk. Thank you.